So over here, you can see that I have all of my contacts right here. And in contacts, you can see first name and then last name over here. But if you want to go around and change around the outlook of what you see in the contact, then you can go to view and then go to people settings right here. And over here, you can see that you can display the contact by last name as well. Once you go around and select that and click on save, then what happens is that it'll simply go around and change the outlook, as you can see right here. For example, now you can see the last name over here, and for TutorTube, as tutor is set as the first name and Tube is set as the last name, you can see that it actually changes out the name from first to last right here. You want to change it back again, then you simply go to people settings and set it by first name and click on save and close, and then you got the first name and last name just like that as before again. So that is how you can display contact by first name or last name inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.